How to redeem Xbox gift card on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can redeem our Xbox gift card on our PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to redeem our Xbox gift card on our PC, open up Xbox over here and make sure to log into your account. So you can open the Xbox application instead. And then from here, what you want to do is just simply make sure to click the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and then just go to this option here known as settings, and then just select that. Now, once you go to settings over here, you'll find an option that says account, and you'll find the option here known as redeem a code. So you got to just click on the redeem option over here. And as you do that, you should be able to see all this sorts of information where you simply want to go ahead and then make sure to enter the 25 character code that you might have received, and then just hit the next option here in order to redeem the code or the gift card. This way you'll be able to redeem your Xbox gift card on PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.